5 Little Monkeys Wash the Car by Eileen, Christelow. The 5 little monkeys and Mama can never drive far in their rickery, rattle-trap wreck of a car. "I've had it," says Mama. "Let's sell this old heap." She makes a big sign that says, "Car for sale, cheap." Then Mama goes in. "There is some work I should do." "Okay," said the monkeys. "We have work too." This car is so icky, so sticky and slimy. How can we sell an old car that is so grimy?" "I know," says one little monkey. So 2 little monkeys spray with a hose, while 3 little monkeys scrub the car till it glows. But the car is still rusty. It stinks. Oh, ew! No one will buy it. What can we do? "I know," said one little monkey. Then 4 little monkeys find paint in the shed. Blue, yellow, and green, purple, pink, and bright red. They paint the old car with designs all around while one little monkey sprays perfume he found. The 5 little monkeys sit down and wait, but no one comes by, and it's getting late. The car looks terrific. It smells so good too. Maybe no one can see it here. What should we do? "I know," says one little monkey. So 3 little monkeys start pushing the car. The monkeys who is steering can't see very far. Then one little monkey shouts, "Park it right here." Wait! It's rolling too fast. Oh my goodness, can't you stop? Can't you steer? The monkey who is steering can't reach the brake. The car rolls downhill to the brown swampy lake. Well, now we are in trouble. We are stuck in this wood. We'll never get out. Oh, what can we do? "We know," rumbles a voice from the swamp. "The crocodiles!" 5 little monkeys all shout. One crocodile says, "We'll help you get out." More crocodiles rise from the wet swampy goo. "We'll push this old car, but you must push too." The monkeys all quake. What they say isn't true. They will eat us for supper. Oh, what we can do? "I know," says one little monkey. "Oh, crocodiles," she calls. "I hear you were strong, but if you need our help, I must have her run." "We are strong," roar the crocs. "We are the strongest by far, and we can push anything, even a car." So they puff and they pant till they look very ill. But they push that old car to the top of the hill. Then one monkey whispers, "We are still in a stew. If they don't go home now, what we can do?" "I know," said one little monkey. Poor Crocs, said the monkeys. How tired you are. You will never walk home. Oh my goodness. What you need is a car. A new car. The crocodiles buy it. They pay with a check. They climb right inside. We can use this old wreck. The monkeys all run to tell Mama their tale. But might have been eaten. She turned quite pale. We know, Mama, said the monkeys, but we are lucky, it's true. But we did sell the car. Can we buy one that is new? The 5 little monkeys and Mama go shop for a fancy new car with a convertible top. And the crocodiles? Well, they really like the old hip. Yeah, it is such a fine car for a long summer's sleep. The end.